You are watching Teaching Codes. Learning for here and after.
Our content may include a range of topics, opinions, and creative expressions. We do not specify that our information is 100% accurate. We provide you information based on our research. Your well-being, enjoyment, and learning is our ultimate goal. Thank you for tuning in.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a deeply significant topic that has captured the world's attention for decades: the Muslims of Palestine. In today's context, we will explore the challenges they face, their resilience, and the ongoing quest for justice and peace. Let's get started. Segment 1: Historical Context. To truly understand the situation, we must begin with a brief historical overview. Palestine has been a central point of conflict for many years, with deep historical and religious significance for Muslims. The events of the 20th century, including the Nakba in 1948, have had a profound impact on the lives of Palestinian Muslims. Segment 2: Living Conditions. Today, millions of Palestinian Muslims continue to live under challenging conditions. The occupation of the West Bank and Gaza Strip, along with the blockade on Gaza, has restricted movement, access to resources, and economic opportunities. These conditions have had a significant impact on their daily lives. Segment 3: Resilience. Despite these challenges, Palestinian Muslims have demonstrated remarkable resilience. They built vibrant communities, maintained their cultural heritage, and continue to hold steadfast to their aspirations for self-determination and justice. Segment 4: Human Rights Concerns. We cannot ignore the ongoing human rights concerns in the region. Issues like settlements, home demolitions, and restrictions on movement affect the lives of Palestinians. These concerns have been raised by organizations like the United Nations, the human side of this ongoing conflict.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.